Good morning, my green-loving buddies. The pretty flowers next to me would probably be recognized and grown by many. They are verbena flowers. Verbenas are a group of around 250 species of plants that flower and are either grown as annuals or perennials depending upon the location and species. A verbena plant is also known by the common name vervain. Verbenas originate mostly from North and South America as well as from Europe. They are commonly found in tropical and subtropical habitats. Verbenas have flowers colored pink, red, purple, blue or white that consists of 5 petals that generally grow in clusters on spikes. The plant needs regular watering during the periods of active growth and flowering. The watering should be reduced later. Verbenas are mainly grown for decorative purposes and they grow best in complete sunlight. Verbena has beautiful tiny flowers grouped into rounded clusters. The drought and heat resistant plant is great for beds, borders, hanging baskets and rock gardens. It is also good for planting in cracks between stones and walls. It symbolizes healing, protection, happiness and creativity. Though we get our verbenas from the local nursery, sometimes our gardener also splits its roots and propagates them. I have noticed verbena in some vertical gardens as well. They surely make amazing highlighters. The verbena flowers will surely beautify your garden. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. See you soon, green buddies.